Take a moment to check out the 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-sized pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the worksite. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss out on comfort just because you need a pickup. Get the best of both worlds in the Colorado.